I'm Paul Soberg with PTS Products. We've been in business since 2002. We build electrical control assemblies for various manufacturers. We modify roughly 50 enclosures a week. Prior to the Steinhauer, we were doing a lot of that work by hand. The bottlenecking was an issue before because one guy would make all the changes on the enclosure and then start wiring it, and there'd be one guy throughout. Now we just send it to this area and all the machining gets done here, and it's done by the same people, the same quality. So we've been able to just kind of change the way we do our business. These holes now that we're creating here, they're factory holes. It's not something that's done with a Greenlee punch out where you have draw on the metal where it just doesn't look clean. You've got perfect holes in the exact location every time. They're all relative to each other the exact way it should be. But of course this is much faster. It's maybe a 4-to-1 time savings using this versus doing it by hand. I guess I can't emphasize, in our business it's all about quality. That's what we preach around here. It's quality is a priority of anything. So we would have to have the Steinhauer. When we moved into this building, that was part of the plan. We even had a spot picked out for it. Having that hole in there that's just perfectly cut, whereas if you do it with a Greenlee, nothing wrong with that, but in fiberglass especially, it just makes a splintery mess out of it. So whereas this, it comes in, it just machines a perfect hole. So it's really about the quality. We justified buying the machine with our internal work that we had already. Now we're getting additional work on top of it, was just really just icing on the cake.